So now we are here, and this is a power bank from Ecoflow, the river bank, the small one, with 94 watt hours. And this really so far has been a great device, a great power bank. I've been testing it for a few days now, so we have a few different outputs here. The wireless one, which is soon active. The process, yes, just started, as we can see now. And we also have a few different ports on the back side. The regular USB and also USB-C outputs. And also this one is the input, so you can charge it with USB-C. We have a display that shows you the battery percentage and also the output status, or the watts, and the remaining time that you have left based on the battery percentage and the watts that you are using. So at the moment, with 4 watts, we have 13 hours remaining runtime here. But of course, the mobile phone will soon be charged, so it's gonna stop soon. 94 watt hours here with this device. If you want to know more about this power bank, you can also leave a comment. You can check out the website, the link is in the description. There will soon be more videos about other products from Ecoflow. Thank you for watching, and I am now looking forward to your message, or also to your order. See you soon in the next video.